My name is Komal Undre and I am going to discuss about iterative statement in Java. Iterative statement in Java, it is also called as looping statement. Here in looping statement, here are four statements. First is for loop, while loop, do while loop, and for each loop. Let's learn first for loop, but we see first what is iterative statement and when we use these iterative statement we use for when we want some print or some number again and again, or you want to do some task again and again. That time we use for or for, if, do, while, for each. This type of loop we used. Let's learn first for loop. In for loop there are three conditions. First is initialization, second is condition, and third is increment or decrement operator. If for example, if we want to print 1 to 100 number, that time we use for loop because we know how starting point also know, increment also know, and ending point. So that's why we use for loop. And the when we use this for loop, all conditions are true, that time for block will executed. Let's learn while loop. In while loop is similar as a for loop, but its syntax is different. For initialization part is first when we write program, that time we declared. Then next is condition is inside while block, and increment decrement also in statement block. If first check the condition is true, then while block will execute it. Third is do while loop. In do while loop we uh, first not check condition, first do block will execute it, and then check the condition. Then if condition is true, again you do block will execute it. And last but not least, for each loop. These for each loop specially designed and developed for array, and here is no initialization or increment decrement operator is used. That's all about iterative or looping statement in Java.